Okay, guys, welcome. This is a video for us to revise, and we are going to be looking at conversions. This is the first thing I want us to recall, that we have two sides. We have the left hand side, which will be equal to the right hand side. Now, this situation will be what you call your conversion factor. And how it works is that if you want to get the unit that is on the right, you are supposed to multiply. Okay. And if you want to get the unit that is on the left, you are supposed to divide. And what are you going to use to divide or multiply? You'll be using this conversion factor that will always be on the right. Okay, so let's look at this particular instance here. Here you are told to convert 2 meters to centimeters, and the conversion factor here is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So the way in which you're gonna answer this question is to find out first what is it that we are looking for and where is it situated. We can see here we are converting what 2 meters to centimeters, so we are given meters and we are expected to get centimeters. So it means we are moving from the from the left to the right, because we are given meters and we have to find centimeters from those meters, or we are finding out how many centimeters are in 2 meters. So that means we are actually moving from the left to the right hand side, because this is what we want. So this means that we are going to this side, and if we are going to this side, you can see from left to right, it means we are supposed to multiply. So what are we going to multiply? We will take this unit that is given, which is 2 meters, multiplied with this number that is on the left, 100, and that should give us our centimeters. So we'll say 2 multiplied by 100, and 2 multiplied by 100 should give us 200 centimeters. That's how this works. Okay, let's move on to the second situation. Here we have to convert milliliters to what? Liters. Milliliters to liters. And as you can see, we are given milliliters. Where are our milliliters? On the right. And we have to get our liters, which are on the left. So it means we are moving from right to left. You see that, from right to left. And if we are going from the right hand side to the left hand side, we are supposed to be dividing by what? Our unit our conversion factor rather. So this is what we'll have. If we are moving from this side, millimeters, and we want to get liters, it means we are supposed to divide. You see that? So we are taking this 500 milliliters, dividing it with what? This 1000. So we'll say 500 divided by 1000, and that should give us, let me see, that should give us 0.5 liters. I'm not sure. Let's calculate. 5000 divided by 1000 is going to give us 0.5. Yes, 0.5 what? Liters, because that's what we're looking for, right? We are looking for liters. How many liters are in 500 milliliters. That's how you answer this question. Let's move on now to this one. Here we are expected to convert 3 kilometers to meters. 3 kilometers to meters. So what we'll be doing here is taking or rather firstly checking, are we moving from the left to the right or from the right to the left? We are given kilometers, we have to find meters. So we are basically moving from the left to the right. When you are moving from left to right, you're supposed to multiply. Can you see that? Because we are given kilometers and we want to get meters. So we are moving from left to right, and that means from left to right we multiply. Do you see that? So let's do that. I'm gonna take this 3 and multiply it with this 1000. So it's 3 multiplied by 1000, and my answer should be 3000 meters, and then I'm done. Okay, that's how you work with this. Let's move on to this last one. For this one, we have to convert 150 pounds to kilograms. 150 pounds to kilograms. So we are moving again from left to right, and by now you should know that when you move from the left to the right, you are expected to multiply by what? This number that is on the right, the conversion factor. So what we'll say is 150 multiplied by this number 0.45359 then the answer should be found on the calculator. So let's say 150 multiplied by 0.45359, and my answer is what? My answer is going to be 68.04. What is going to be kilograms, and I'm done. Okay guys, the next conversion I want us to look into is that of temperature. So there are two ways of converting. You either convert from Fahrenheit to get degrees Celsius, or from degrees Celsius in order to get your Fahrenheit. And these are the two formulas you need to use. If you are looking to convert to Celsius or degrees Celsius, you are supposed to use this formula. And if you are looking to get Fahrenheit, you are supposed to use this formula. Okay, so that's what you need to memorize. I need you to make sure that you understand these formulas. Okay, so let's look at this example now. Fortunately, we've been given our formula. Do you see here that they say convert 25 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit? But I want us to use this formula, and as much as it's been given here, this is similar to this. Let's use this because this will always be given. So we need to memorize it. We are converting from degrees Celsius. So this is what we are given, and it is 25 degrees. So the formula we'll use is Fahrenheit is equal to, in brackets, 1,8, supposed to say multiplied by C, or degrees Celsius, close the bracket, and add 32 degrees, or even if you don't write 32 here, and then from there we simply substitute. We have 1,8 8 multiplied by, where we see degrees Celsius, means we are supposed to put 25 degrees. Please don't say it's 250, it's 25 degrees, then plus 32, and we should then get our answer. So let's see. We'll have 1,8 multiplied by 25 plus 32. You see, I've typed this on the calculator and my answer is 77. My answer is 77 Fahrenheit. Yeah, this is what my answer is. 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's look at another example to make this stick. Okay, here's another situation. Here we are told that Monster has fans living in America. They want to come and watch the match in South Africa. Use the following formulas to answer the questions that follow. So here, guys, you have fortunately been given the formula, and it will always happen, but you need to also know how to go from Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. Okay, since this formula is for finding Fahrenheit, you need to know the right formula to get your temperature in degrees Celsius. But worry not, as I'm going to show you that. Okay, firstly, let's look at this question. Here they're asking us what was the minimum temperature for, or rather predicted for 12 March. We have two temperatures here, and what we have to understand is the word minimum. And minimum in simple terms means small, right? Or low. Then we know there's another word which is the opposite of minimum, and that is maximum. Maximum means what? Big, right? Or high. So if we look at these two temperatures, we can see that at first our temperature started at 18 and then ended up at 29. Now the question is, which one here is the smallest between these two? 18, guys, is obviously smaller than 29. So the answer to this question will be that the minimum temperature was what? 18 degrees Celsius. I'm just gonna write 18 degrees Celsius, and that's your answer. Now let's look at 3.2. Here they're saying that predict the maximum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. Convert this to Fahrenheit. If you go to this side, you'll recall that you were already given the formula in Fahrenheit. To find the temperature in Fahrenheit. So yours is to just write down that formula as it is. F degrees is equal to, in brackets, 1,8 multiplied by this plus this. This is the formula, and from there you simply substitute. You will have 1,8 multiplied by, where you see degrees Celsius, this is what you're supposed to put, 28 degrees, then plus 32, and then finally get your answer. For the answer, we just go to the calculator, type all of this in. So say 1,8 multiplied by 28 plus 32, and our answer is going to be 82,4 Fahrenheit. 82,4 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we are done. Okay, now on this last one, 3.3, they say if the temperature is 92,84 Fahrenheit degrees Fahrenheit in America, what would this temperature be in degrees Celsius? It's simple. First of all, you have to write the formula for degrees Celsius, and it should look like this. In brackets, you will have Fahrenheit minus 32, then divided by 1,8. Okay, that is how the formula is going to look. All right, then from there you need to substitute. Fahrenheit is what? 92,84. 92,84, and then minus 32. Okay, let's put our degrees there. Then divided by 1,8. Then finally we can get our answer by working the calculator. We'll say 92,84 minus 32, close the bracket, and then divide by 1,8. And this is our answer, 33,8. Right. Our answer is going to be 33,8 degrees Celsius. And you are done. So here I was mainly showing you how to convert using your conversion factors and also converting temperature, right? Just rewatch these videos and see what will happen. Okay, see you on the next one.